Hello friends, welcome to our channel Homeopathy the Healing Power. Friends, today I am going to share with you one of my successful experience, one of our experiment that how we saved our plant by giving homeopathic medicines. Yes friends, homeopathy not only acts on human being but also it acts on plants and animals and gives wonderful results. This is nothing but we called it as agro-homeopathy. Friends, here I am going to share with you in detail the whole story that exactly what happened to our plant, which homeopathic medicine we gave to our plant, on what basis we selected this medicine, in which potency, how many doses we repeated of this medicine, and what is the end result today. Friends, for this you have to watch the video till the end and you have to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever we post a new video. So let's get started. Friends, we are having wild daisy plant in our garden. During winters, small beautiful yellow color flower start appearing on plants. This plant is creepy in nature. It is having multiple sub branches, and then after some time it started to overcrowd in a small pot, thus leaving behind a very less space for other new branches to grow. Looking at this condition, we decided to repot, divide some branches to the other new pot. On 6th of December 2020, we repotted the two main branches along with the roots into other new pot. By taking care and precaution that we should not damage to any root, we shifted the two main branches of plant in the new pot. Everything was good with the plant, but soon after one day, we saw that the leaves started to drop down. The plant was losing its strength. Even after regular watering, the plant did not stood up, and meanwhile within next 2 days the condition got worse. Branches lost their strength. Many of the stems from lower side started to dry and leaves started to shed off. At this time, we thought that this is not the time to wait and watch. Now our plant need a medicine, as this is not a normal process. And here comes homeopathy. As a homeopathic physician, we know that we have to take a detailed case before prescribing a medicine. But in case of plants and animals, this is not possible. Homeopathic physician has to be keen observer in such cases. Homeopathic physician has to observe the sign shown by the plant and animals, and then on the basis of symptom similarity, medicine can be prescribed. And this is what we did on our wild daisy plant. Here in our plant, what we observed, there was no proper water supply to stems, leaves through the roots, and so plant was getting dry, the leaves were shedding off. Plant was healthy before, having no disease, and all these abnormal changes took place after shifting a plant in a new pot. After analysis and evaluation, we came into conclusion that there must be two possibilities. First, transplant shock. Our plant must be suffering from transplant shock. This generally happens in plants. When they are shifted to the new pot, they suffer from transplant shock. It takes some time to develop their own physiology. Next must be injury to roots that may occur while shifting the plant. On this sign, we selected homeopathic medicine Arnica montana, a well-indicated medicine for injury and trauma, from which our plant was suffering from. Friends, you can watch a detailed visual drug picture video on Arnica montana on our channel. The video link is given in description box. Please check it out. Looking at the severity of case and also the condition was acute, we selected Arnica 200 potency. Let's see how we gave medicine to our plant. We gave medicine through water. We took 1 liter of plain tap water, added 3 drops of homeopathic medicine Arnica 200 in it, and it was mixed and shaked well for few minutes before watering to plant. As plant cannot take up 1 liter water at once, we used to give this medicine mixed water twice a day at smaller quantity. The medicine was given on 10th December 2020. After 1 day gap, again the medicine was repeated on 12th December 2020. Then we gave a gap for 8 days, and 8 days we wait and watched and saw the improvement in the plant. The case came to an standstill position. The further drying of whole plant came to stop after giving second dose of medicine. So, after seeing the result, we again repeated the medicine on 20 December 2020 in the same manner. Around 6 to 7 days of third dose, we saw miraculous result. Leaves stood up, stem regained its strength because good water supply was started through the roots to the whole plant. There was about 50% of improvement seen. There was excellent result, and now we decided not to repeat the medicine further. Let the plant heal by itself. As we have given doses of medicine, still medicinal action is present in plant. As we know friends, homeopathic medicines are deep acting and long acting, so we did not disturb the process of healing. Around 3rd January 2021, we saw that the whole plant was looking fresh, green, healthy. Each and every stem and leaves has regained its original strength. There was good water supply till top of branches. Along with this, there was also some shocking results. The stems not only gained the strength, but also they started growing sub-branches from their nodes. This new growth was seen in multiple stems, as you can see this right now in images. This whole process completed just within 1 month. Friends, here are some more photos after 15 days. You can see this. The plant is looking more fresh and dark green in color. New branches have increased their height. Also, they are having 2 flowering birds seen which are about to flower in upcoming days. Some leftover medicinal water was unintentionally added by us to the original pot. And friends, you can see the shocking results here also. The plant is looking so healthy, and there is a rapid increase in growth and flowers as well. This is how homeopathy works. It was just a small experiment that we conducted to save our plant, and we got magical results. So we thought to share our experience with our YouTube family. We are sure that our experience will be motivational and helpful to many of you in practicing agro-homeopathy. Please leave your valuable feedback in the comment section. Like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Meet you soon. Thank you for watching.